Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Combi CDTI BTS, S9-seater minibus needs turbo no VAT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 279591. MOT, the 20th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Is it a straightforward simple turbo replacement job? Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest minibus. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.